Most traders lose money not because they're bad at it, but because they're emotional. They panic when prices drop and get greedy when charts rise. But what if you could trade without emotions? What if your trading decisions were based purely on logic, data, and patterns that humans often miss? That's exactly what's happening right now, a quiet revolution in how people make money from the markets. Over the past decade, the way we invest and trade has changed dramatically. It's no longer just about reading charts or following tips from so-called gurus. Today's traders are using something far more powerful technology that thinks, learns, and makes decisions faster than any human ever could. It's changing the way people trade stocks, crypto, forex, and even commodities. And it's giving everyday traders access to insights that used to belong only to big financial institutions. Before we get deeper into how this works, let's understand why most traders struggle and how this new technology solves that. The biggest problem in trading isn't lack of knowledge, it's human behavior. We second-guess ourselves. We hold losing trades too long. We take profits too early. Our brains are wired for survival, not speculation. When the market starts moving fast, emotions take over. Traditional trading strategies like reading charts, indicators, and news rely heavily on human interpretation. And that means mistakes. Even professional traders admit that emotions can cloud judgment. So the question becomes, how do you take emotions out of the equation? How do you make decisions based only on data, not fear or greed? That's where artificial intelligence enters the picture. Think of it like a super smart assistant that never sleeps, never panics, and never gets tired of analyzing numbers. It studies patterns in the market, tracks price movements, watches news sentiment, and spots trends you'd probably never notice. In the past, only hedge funds or big trading firms had access to such technology. But now, with the rise of retail trading platforms and affordable tools, even individual traders can use artificial intelligence-based systems to improve their strategy. These systems don't predict the future like magic. They process huge amounts of information and learn from it. Over time, they adapt to how the market behaves, adjusting their models automatically to spot better opportunities. Let's make this simple. Just think you're trading crypto. The market is open 24/7, and prices can change within seconds. You can't monitor it all the time, but a system powered by artificial intelligence can. It scans thousands of data points from price movements to social media chatter and identifies patterns that suggest when a coin might rise or fall. Or let's take stock trading. These systems can analyze decades of historical data, compare it with real-time market conditions, and identify when a specific stock is behaving in a way that's similar to a past profitable setup. It's like having a memory that never fades and one that learns from every mistake. So, how does this help you trade smarter? There are 3 key ways. First, it saves time. Instead of manually watching charts all day, you can let technology filter opportunities for you. You only focus on trades that match your criteria. Second, it reduces emotional trading. The system sticks to data-driven signals, not impulses. That means you enter and exit trades based on consistent logic, not gut feelings. And third, it helps you learn faster. Many modern platforms give you performance feedback showing you which trades worked, which didn't, and why. Over time, this feedback helps you become a better decision maker. Of course, artificial intelligence isn't a magic solution. It can't guarantee profits or eliminate risk. Markets are unpredictable and always will be. The key is to use this technology as a tool, not a crutch. Smart traders still apply human judgment. They understand the bigger picture global events, company news, and investor sentiment, while letting artificial intelligence handle the heavy lifting of analysis and data processing. Think of it as teamwork. You provide strategy and discipline, while your digital assistant provides insights and speed. If you're thinking about getting started, start small. You don't need complex algorithms or expensive software. Many trading platforms already have built-in features that use artificial intelligence in simple ways, such as signal generation, portfolio balancing, or risk assessment. Begin by testing automated alerts or backtesting strategies on demo accounts. Learn how these tools interpret market data. As you gain confidence, You can explore more advanced systems or even create your own custom trading bots. And most importantly, don't treat this as a get-rich-quick method. Treat it as a skill. The traders who win in the long run are those who We're entering an age where artificial intelligence isn't just for tech companies or scientists. It's becoming a personal assistant for anyone who wants to make smarter financial decisions. But the smartest move of all? Staying informed. The more you understand how this technology works, the more confident and independent you'll become as a trader. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how artificial intelligence is changing the world of business, finance, and investing, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Every week, we'll explore new tools, insights, and strategies that can help you stay ahead in this fast-changing world.